Hello friends, welcome to our channel V3. Today all the eggs hatched. Take a look. Even my baby brother is here to see. He's looking at the water. No, you don't touch it. No touching, no touching. Huh?
So, see how many birds now?
There were 4 birds. And if you guys can see, there's the mama bird is over there near the trees over there. I think that's the mama bird. Oh, she's gonna fly over here. You go over there.
अरे सही ते रख दे.
Oh my God! Mama bird. And away was the mama bird. Guys, look, there's the mama bird over there near the bushes.
Yeah.
Over there. Right there, near the bushes. See?
Yeah.
I think that's the mama bird because she's coming close here.
Yeah. She's finding the bombs to feed the bird.
I know where it is. Worms near over there where the garbage thing is because they found 2 worms. One's a baby worm, one's a big one.
Yeah.
I found another one over there. Oh my gosh, what is my baby brother doing? He's all over the stone now. I am freaking out right now. What's gonna happen? Haha, the bird ran away because the stooler was rolling.
See, 4 ne, 4 of them.
Yeah.
The 4 small baby birds.
I am so happy and speechless.
Why are you happy?
I'm happy because finally there's baby birds.
They all are out now, right?
Yeah, and they look so cute.
Sahib, you're happy?
Are you happy,
Hey,
Sahib?
Sahib. Look here.
Look. Are you happy? Happy. He's my brother's.
Don't touch with the mouth.
My brother's kind of crazy. When we do videos, he kind of gets excited.
Okay, so you guys wanna say something else or?
I just wanted to say, are the birds gonna remember? Is this their home? Because they're gonna grow up, right? I don't know. Hi, baby brother.
Hey, Shawaj.
He's hiding from Daddy Ma.
Shawaj, you दिखाइए. Bird.
My baby brother's gonna see the birds. Shawaj, हाथ नहीं लाना.
नहीं लाऊंगा.
He's so cute.
Shawaj, तू डरता?
Oh, देखिए.
Shawaj, are you scared?
Guys, look, the bird is back.
देखो तेरा डरता.
What?
Shawaj.
Wait, she's scared. Guys, it is the first time I saw my baby brother scared because usually when he sees stuff like crazy, like ants or worms, he never gets scared. He always just gets close to them, but the birds, he's getting scared. Yo,
No, touch नहीं करता. सीधा हट जा. No, touch नहीं करता.
Oh, he wants
देख
to
दा.
see a closer look. Don't go too close to the nest, Savaj. What the sun up there? Oh my gosh, the bird has something in his mouth up there, guys. Look. He's on the roof. Guys, let's go down for a minute and see if the bird feeds it.
That's mama bird.
No, Savaj,
कुछ लेके आई है.
no,
और
Savaj, no. He's touching the eggshell.
Okay. और देख सीरत. वो लेके आई है baby bird नु feed करने वास्ते. Mama bird has something to feed the babies.
Yeah, maybe we should go down and see if she feeds him.
Yeah. So we should go now, right?
Yeah, and then I think my dad will show you when he feeds the baby bird. The mama bird's waiting for us to leave.
Yeah. So we should leave now.
Maybe we should stand a little bit far away. Maybe. Yeah, we should just.
Yeah.
The bird's on the side now. Oh my God! I'm running away because the bird. That bird, that's scary, kind of. Cause it's like moving everywhere, like moving everywhere.
Daddy, शवाज आ गया.
The bird.
हौली 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 see. You see it? Mama bird is feeding the babies.
Yeah, don't go too close. You can't
Yeah.
go too close all the way.
Yeah. You see? The mama bird feeding the babies. See? No. Oh, no. फड़ ला. फड़ियो फड़ियो.
Oh my gosh, you guys. It's the first time I ever saw a mama bird feeding. Now it's sitting down.
Yeah.
Look at the moon. I'm happy that I got to show you guys the mama bird because I know you never saw the mama bird.
So it's better not to disturb the mama bird.
Yeah. Or she's gonna be like, why are you disturbing me and my babies? She's gonna be like, why are you disturbing my
Hey,
babies?
Sahib,
That,
what happened?
and that good.
Why? ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ? ਲੈ ਕੱਟ ਦੋ ਜੀ.
Yay!
No.
Yay!
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੰਪ ਮਾਰ ਦੇ. ਸਾਹਿਬ ਚੱਲ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਪਲਿਨ 'ਚ. ਓਕੇ. ਭੱਜ ਭੱਜ. ਚੱਲ. ਚੇਅਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ? ਚੇਅਰ ਚੱਕ ਲਿਆ.
Yeah, let's go get a chair.
ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਈ. ਆ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਪਈ.
Guys, in my other video,
ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਸਟੂਲਰ ਚੱਕ ਲਾ.
guys, in my other video, you saw the trampoline, and we're gonna show you me and Sai together jumping on it because I know in the last video it was only me. So let's. Sai's wearing songs. That's a good thing, but I'm not wearing socks. So I'll just.
Wait, ਸਾਹਿਬ. ਸਾਹਿਬ wait.
Oh my gosh, there's so much water pouring down. Sai, be careful.
See, okay.
Be careful.
ਸਾਹਿਬ wait. ਆ ਖੋਲ ਦੇ. ਚੱਲ. ਚੱਲ ਸੀਤ.
There's so much water there. There's so much water. We love this boat.
ਸਾਹਿਬ. ਸਾਹਿਬ. show the other trick. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਾ ਜੰਪ ਲੈਣਾ ਨਾ.
Boat thing. Okay.
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੋਲ ਕਰਦਾ. ਓਕੇ. ਸੀਤ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਜਾ. ਚੱਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਰ.
No. Be careful of the water. Wait.
ਚੱਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਫੇਰ ਕਰ.
Wait.
ਫੇਰ ਕਰ ਰੋਲ ਕਰ. ਸੀਤ ਜਸਟ ਮਿੰਟ. ਸੀਤ ਵੇਟ ਮਿੰਟ. ਸਾਹਿਬ ਚੱਲ ਰੋਲ ਕਰ.
Stop me.
ਸੀਤ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾ.
Okay, but I'm just scared if I'm gonna get.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna. Let's just doesn't even do it cool. Hey, don't call me that.
Here, you guys like the trampoline? Because it's good for the health too, right?
Yeah, even my friend has. I just flipped over. Hey, even okay. So I'm gonna do the botany. The botany is a fun trick, but I gotta do it in the dress. So first I gotta.
Okay, jump कर पहले jump.
That's a lot cold.
Okay, चल ਹੁਣ खेल लो तुसी ਹੁਣ बाय कर दो. वो ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਪਿੱਛੇ.
Not the botany. I still wanna do the guys. I wanna show you something. Watch. Look at the botany. 3, 2, 1. But me. Woo! Me.
साफ फेर करी. साफ फेर कर.
Guys.
Okay.